automatic box packing solution from Fosun Soontrue. Auto case erector with fast and precise action. Empty boxes will be sent to conveyor one by one. Robotic box packing machine with 2-exit manipulator. Accurate motion without damage of product surface. Automatic case sealer. No operator assistance required. Robotic palletizer with reliable performance, greatly saving labor costs. High automation packing system is a wise choice to improve your production efficiency. Soontrue has rich experience and great ability in machinery manufacturing. Advanced factory ensures high product quality and short lead time. Strong team make our deliveries always exceed customer satisfaction.